Let us understand the step-by-step process of using Workflow Management Form in Strategic ERP. Navigate to the Workflow Management Form under the Admin module. Select the module name. Select the form name. The form name drop-down will be auto-fetched based the selected module name. Once the module name and form name is entered, you can view the basic workflow stages such as draft, approval, verification, approval not in use, approved and delete state. To create a new state, click on Add Custom State. Enter the state name and set priority as applicable. You can also enter conditions if applicable. Click on Save, then proceed further. Further, if you want to restrict the workflow for the user on a project-wise basis, select the project name from the drop-down. Project name options will appear for selection based on the selected module and form name. Next, to restrict workflow-wise view conditions, click on Conditions and select Add Conditions. Select the field details, start value and end value of the user. Check the Hide if above condition is not matched button to restrict the user beyond the entered end value. Select the responsible user and save the data. To configure your workflow so that it skips the verification status, switch the toggle from Enabled to Disabled under the action bar in the Item Master tab. To create a new workflow, click on Add New Workflow. Select from State and to State from the drop-down. Enter the button name. Select the allocation type, if applicable. Save the data, then proceed further. A new creation workflow will be added in the Workflow Management Form. The process of using Workflow Management Form is now complete.